My beautiful friends, do you know what today is? I don't think you do. Today, Monday, May 6th, 2019, we together are going to blow the roof off of this charade. I am not kidding. I am going to share something with you that almost seems like science fiction, but it's real. I'm going to place a link to what I'm talking about, and we're going to talk about a whole bunch of things. Please share this video. Spread this out far and wide, because today we are going to make a difference. So let's talk about this market. Because of all the rhetoric with the China deal, which was dying, but maybe it's not really dying now, and all the nonsense that's going on, the Dow Jones Industrial Average started the day down 471 points. We finished the day, closing bell like a minute ago, down 68 points. Yeah, an over 400-point swing in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Russell 2000 went positive. Okay, now, I know you are supposed to focus on that stock market. That's all they want you to look at. But before I reveal what I'm going to reveal to you, I know that a lot of you were watching the bond market action today because it was literally beyond belief. Do you notice all the red? You see all the red over there? Red, 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 red. What does that mean? Well, that means that yields dropped. Yields dropped across the board with regard to bonds. That's the bond market. Because an epic amount of debt was bought today. And if you want to just have a look at what this looks like, there is a link in the description of this lovely video, which will take you to my website. Look at the bond market chart. Your eyeballs will explode. An unbelievable rally in the bond market, suppressed rates. I just showed that to you. Cash made its way into the stock market, but it's much bigger than that. Much bigger than that. Now, I am going to read something to you, and I want you to focus on what I'm going to say here, because it's literally almost science fiction, but it's not. Now, to start off, let's clarify what a security is. Most people, it seems, don't even know what a security is. A security is a fungible, negotiable financial instrument that holds some type of monetary value. A stock is a security. What I'm going to do now is go to the Federal Reserve's own website, and I'm going to place a link to this also in the description of this video so you can read it for yourself, so you don't think I just made this up. Federal Reserve System, open market operations. Okay, I'm going to read this. Open market operations, the purchase and sale of securities in the open market by a central bank, are a key tool used by the Federal Reserve in the implementation of monetary policy. The short-term objective for open market operations is specified by the Federal Open Market Committee and is conducted by the trading desk. The trading desk at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Yeah, you just heard that correctly. The Federal Reserve, I mean, this is no secret. It's on their website, okay? Don't take my word for it. Click on the link in the description for yourself. Not only do they have a trading desk, this I think most of us know, but they're explaining that they utilize it to stabilize the market. So what you witnessed today, again, complete fakery like you cannot believe. And this is why President Trump foams at the mouth about the Federal Reserve. He does not want to end the Fed. Please get out of that delusion, okay? He needs the Fed in here to use the cash that they add to a digital screen or whatever they got to do to pump the market back up. Really, the people that are pushing that narrative are out of their freaking ever-loving minds, and they are programming a great many people. They are being programmed. It's a terrible thing, but it's the truth. So, today's stock market action was obviously not miraculous at all. It was some kind of an underhanded scheme. You will never hear this. How many of you, with a show of hands, believe that any of the mainstream financial channels will explain to you that the Federal Reserve uses their own trading desk to buy stocks, securities, okay? They word it in a kind of a way that people don't know, it seems. Because earlier today I posted that the Federal Reserve is buying stocks. People go, hold on a minute, Greg, I read the article. It doesn't say anything about stocks. Securities are stocks! Anyway, look, a pump today in the bond market that would make Stormy Daniels blush. Okay? That's the truth. And the Federal Reserve is using their own trading desk, putting all kinds of cash to work, buying stocks across the board. They're admitting it. Unbelievable. How many of you never knew that this Federal Reserve actually buys stock? Probably, I don't know how many. I'm curious. Post here. I knew the Federal Reserve buys stock. I knew the Federal Reserve has it right in front of our face, telling everyone that they buy shares of stock to prop up the stock market. They're probably buying entire indices. It's unbelievable, people. You can't make it up if you tried. We have a Frankenstein market. It's not real in any way, shape, or form. We have a managed economy and a managed market. Period. The end. Period. The end. There is no arguing this in any way, shape, or form. It's in our face. With that said, again, if you want to read more on that lovely post, it's right on the Federal Reserve's website. There is a link down here in the description of this video. I would suggest sharing that too, along with this video, so people can understand what the hell is going on. I will see you in the morning.